In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use layout pages on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine so you can build polished pages faster, customize pre-made sections, and get a professional look without starting from scratch. This is a huge time saver if you want to create an About page, Contact page, Services page, Team page, or Pricing page, with a clean structure and a modern design. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the website option and click it. Then click Pages so you can manage the structure of your site. This is where Squarespace lets you organize what appears in your navigation and what stays hidden in the background. Next, you'll want to add a new page. Click the plus icon next to Main Navigation if you want the page to appear in your website header menu. If you want to keep it hidden for now, click the plus icon next to Not Linked instead. This is a great option if you're working on a page before making it public, or if you want to create a landing page that doesn't show up in your main menu. After that, a drop-down menu will appear. From the available page options, choose Page Layouts. This is the section that gives you access to pre-designed layout templates built for different page types. Instead of building every section manually, Squarespace gives you a head start with a structure you can customize. Now a category window will slide open. On the sidebar, you'll see different filters like About, Contact, Services, Team, and Pricing. Click through these categories to preview the available templates. Take your time here, because choosing the right archetype makes your editing process much easier later. For example, if you're creating a team page, you'll probably want a layout that already has staff blocks, bios, and image sections built in. If you're creating a services page, you may want one that includes feature sections, call to action areas, and pricing blocks. Once you find a layout you like, click your preferred layout archetype. Squarespace will then ask you to name the page. Type in a clean, simple name that matches the content of the page. For example, you could name it Our Team, About Us, Services, or Contact. After typing the name, press Enter to create the page. At this point, your new page will be added to your site using the selected layout. Now it's time to customize it. Click the Edit button in the top left corner of the master sidebar to launch the page editor. This opens Fluid Engine, where you can fully control the placement of your content. Once the editor is open, you'll see that the layout already includes text blocks, image areas, buttons, and other pre-placed elements. Hover over any text block, image, or button and click it to begin editing. This is where the real customization starts. If you want to change the size or position of an element, use the circular transform handles. Click and drag those handles to expand or shrink the block. You can also drag the entire block to move it into a different row or column grid cell. That's one of the biggest benefits of Fluid Engine, because you're not locked into a rigid layout. You can reposition items until the page looks exactly the way you want. Next, you can swap out the default content for your own branding. To update text, double-click any text block and start typing your own copy. Replace placeholder text with your headlines, descriptions, and calls to action so the page matches your brand voice. For images, click any image template block and look for the pencil icon. Select it, then upload your own brand graphics from your computer, or choose images from your asset library. This is how you turn a generic template into a custom-looking page that fits your business or personal brand. If the template is missing something you need, you can add more elements yourself. Click Add Block in the top left corner of that section, and then insert the extra content you want, such as text rows, buttons, or even video grids. This is especially useful if you want to add a testimonial section, a sign-up button, or a multimedia area that wasn't included in the original layout. The key thing to remember is that layout pages are meant to speed up your workflow while still giving you full design control. So instead of building everything from zero, you can start with a professional structure, then customize every detail to fit your site. Once you've edited the text, swap the images, move the blocks and added any extra content, take a final look through the page to make sure everything is aligned and polished. Check spacing, readability, and mobile-friendly layout as well, so your page looks great on every device. And that's how to use layout pages on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. You now know how to find the page layouts, choose a template, edit the content, move elements around, and add new blocks whenever you need them. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Squarespace tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.